Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So, I see there are a lot of news over here. Would you like to introduce us?
Absolutely, let's walk through it. So, we are showing and broadcasting our complete range of dental 3D printing materials from the NextDent group. And as you can see, we cover everything starting from models, gingiva mask, all the way up to orthodontic materials for bite splints. And of course, our newly CE approved Denture 3D Plus material, which enables our users to print a full digital denture. Including the base material in 5 different shades and the teeth material in 6 different shades, tooth colors, that you can now print your complete denture. Of course, you can also combine it with stock teeth. We have already discussed maybe the Vitavionic teeth, but also a milled denture, tooth arch, is possible to combine, so it gives you a complete range of possibilities. A very well-known product from us is, of course, our surgical guide material. It's used a lot. And as you can see, our newer materials also offer new possibilities, like a complete flexible material for ortho IBT, which is a very nice material. All these materials can be printed on our NextDent 5100 printer, which is right over here. We have the complete setup, and together this is a complete validated workflow. Another novelty that we have since last year is our stack printing of orthodontic models, and I will show you very quickly. So we can print in between 20 to 40 models in under 2 hours. It's a complete automated system which will automatically stack all these models, make them hollow with a ladder structure and support them, and print the whole stack in less than 2 hours. So it's really impressive.
2 hours?
Yeah.
What about the time needed for a patient in order to get a full denture?
For a full denture, well, if we consider the whole workflow, it of course begins with the impression taking, digital or analog. Then you have to digitize it if it's an analog impression and design the denture in exocad, for example. So this process, depending on the setup, you have to calculate design between half an hour and an hour, depending on your experience. But once you have your 3D design ready, you can take this to our software, our 3D Sprint software for the printer. This takes a few minutes, a few clicks only, and a denture is printed, the base, in approximately 1 hour. You can fit up to 4 dentures in 1 hour. And then these tooth arches, the teeth of these parts, they can be printed in 25 minutes. So from the files until the final delivery, post-processing, everything included, you can do this in less than 2 hours.
And for the patient, this is translated in how many appointments?
Well, for the patient, the main benefit is reduced appointments. So they have, instead of 5, 6 or more appointments, we can now produce dentures in 3 appointments, sometimes even 2 appointments. Share time is reduced. And for an immediate workflow, of course, the patient can actually wait in the waiting room between the extraction or the impression taking until they get their dentures delivered 2 to 3 hours after extraction.
Thank you very much, Dean.